Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? We come to you with a live possible talking about this crypto space. How's everyone doing this evening? Coming to you with a live, as many of you already know, we just got done with Sam Beckman-Fried talking about the trial, going over some things here. The gentleman's going to spend a long time in jail. We now have CZ. I'll let Janet Yellen say the rest, but this is a
Here
very sad
today
time.
to announce the Treasury Department's historic action, the largest enforcement action in Treasury's history against Binance, the world's largest virtual currency exchange, for its consistent and egregious violations of U.S. anti-money laundering and sanctions law.
Let's get more from Bloomberg's Sue Keenan, and really a conclusion to a year's and a long.
So, as we may know, Binance is stepped down. CEO. $4 billion fine that the SEC has charged. On top of this, CZ has also agreed to pay $50 million. So, once again, one of the richest, most humble crypto platform CEOs smacked again. Hit the like and subscribe, please. This is Wall Street Pete bringing to you breaking news. There's not much we could do after this. It's very important, but investors and founders don't always align. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. This was CZ. 3 days ago, we got to start paying attention to what these guys write and say here. To be fair, no two-person can always be 100% aligned. I am both a founder and investor. Knowing when to let go of a company you founded is one of the trickiest decisions. Well, with that being said, it already sounded like he made up his mind 3 days ago, so it's pretty interesting. But what's more interesting is the SEC sues more exchanges. CZ resigns as CEO of Binance, blah, blah. They're clearing the way for the next Bitcoin bull market. Please understand that the next bull market's coming no matter what. It doesn't matter. The cycle, everything that's made for it to do is coming. I don't agree with anything the SEC has done. However, it's clear they're aware of what's going to happen. And people like Larry Fink at BlackRock want to be the ones selling you the Bitcoin and the crypto at the beginning of this cycle. It makes a lot of sense to me. Does it make sense to you guys? Hit that like and subscribe. So the bull market is about to start without question. And most will be insane. One of the probable ever to happen to crypto. And here we go. Helping BlackRock. Did BlackRock take down Binance? Did the SEC know that this was going to happen? I'm not really sure, but I'll tell you right now, $4 billion in charges and fines. You can see what's happening to the price. We're down almost 5% currently right now. Bitcoin is hovering at 36,000, and all of the beautiful magic coming into this time is starting to disappear. So let's talk about that. Let's pay attention to what is going on. And if you don't mind, come on over, hit that bell, all notification, become a subscriber today. We are trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm not asking for much, so not a lot of subscribers. We only have 1.58, but I am grateful for every one of you. So let's get into the charts and talk a little bit about what is happening. The FUD, I do see some of the assets currently holding up strong, and Cardano is one of them. On the day, if you see the FUD that we're having currently, we're still rising and having some growth. But what concerns me is this oversold zone. Yes, very nice to know. Same oversold zone that we have had since October 22. So we have not seen the oversold zone since exactly 1 month ago. So for Cardano is what we're looking at each day. It represents a daily candle of what the price has been doing. Receiving a double top here, not very good, as we know that the bearish market has occurred because of this FUD. Now what we're looking at is the oversold zone. Get to the 4-hourly for Cardano, just giving an example, and you can see short-term time frame, we're still coming down, but we could get a significant bounce. So obviously people are selling. Well, there are people that are buying. So just remember, if you're selling, there is someone buying your garbage. If you're buying garbage, there is someone selling. So as you can see on this pattern here, currently right now as we break through, we are holding some pivotal support, creating a new higher low that we were trying to do at this point, but no longer, as you can see, that has brought us down. So the trend is coming through. Talking about Bitcoin right now, and right now, currently, we are going to get a fall down, and it still looks like, hey, 33,500 area, 33.3 for Bitcoin could be the next bounce. So we have two big indicators I'm going to watch, and I know they were Fibonacci sequences that we had, but if you pay attention to these particular areas here, I do believe that we will find an option here because this is what's going on. You can see the FUD coming through. We could get something like that. We got to see what happens. Obviously, cryptocurrency is the most volatile asset. Cryptocurrency, once again, it is the most volatile asset. That's why we're in it. That's why we get excited. So, yes, it sucks. We're all tired of it going down. We're waiting for these parabolic moves. But you have to remember they were happening. If you zoom out, when in doubt, pay attention to what Bitcoin has been doing. We were at the 25,000. We're shitting the bed, and we're still at 36. So let me talk to a few of you as we're getting ready to go. Pay attention to these levels. Yes, we must come above and break above 38,000. We talked about it. We have to finish a daily candle. We have not done that since. So if you were wondering where the upper bunch of prices and rally parabolic moves are coming, we have to break and finish a candle above 38 for Bitcoin. So let's finish this with a nice 10-minute video. We're only 6.5 minutes in. Possible 43 for the year. I'd be excited for that bounce. But more importantly, I want to talk about some of this. We had some people freaking out, right? We had a lot of people freaking out. Talking about the daily now. I had a lot of people, I want to buy Solana. I want to FOMO in. I want to FOMO in, right? This is before we've seen any of the other stuff, right? This is why I say, always have liquid for a rainy day. There's going to be some type of fun. There's going to be some bullshit. There's going to be some shenanigans somewhere, somehow, some shape. Why? Because money is involved. Don't forget it. Money is the root of all evil. And guess what? People are going to do drastic, crazy shit to affect your money. So pay attention to what's going on. We can see how as we're getting even Solana support coming all the way through, even from November 13th, just 8 days ago. So September, that was nice. As you can see, it was a great time to buy. We know all about the September days. We talked about how it could be the time to accumulate before the October up, right? We talked about October on this channel. So if you're new to the channel, go back to September and listen to Wall Street Pete brag on how September was beautiful because October was coming. So, I mean, a lot of people are still whining and crying, and it's like, well, if you got in Solana when I said it was an amazing time for September to set us up, as I did, we were buying at $19.94. Why? Because it was under $20. We were excited. We bragged about it. We sold, on this channel, if you want to see again, we sold Polygon Matic at 85 cents. What did I say on my chart? I'm buying it at 73. It's at 73 again, ladies and gentlemen, when I did the video. And I said, I'm selling at 95 cents. I didn't say I'm fucking buying more at 95 cents. I said I'm selling at 95 cents. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the chart. Look at the 73 cents when we bought it on this channel. And who won the trade? Who was accurate? Was Wall Street Pete pretty good with his precise saying, I'm going to sell at 95. I'm going to accumulate at 73. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? This is deja vu. Deja vu all over again. So it's not about tooting my horn. It's about paying attention to the price history. This is what's happening. We're getting another opportunity. Well, guess what? We're going to get cheaper prices. I do believe that this time, because we test low, we could see 65 cents. I would be careful. Dollar cost averaging in couldn't be any more clear. Head and shoulders pattern on this particular daily couldn't be any more clear to me. It's a very short and quick head and shoulders pattern, but you can see what is happening here if you really pay attention. So watch what's going on with the patterns. You can see definitely for Polygon Matic, we can come down a little lower and hit that support for 69, and 69, what a wonderful number that can be. So pay attention if we do start breaking lower and finishing the candles lower than that wick of 72.8, that is going to happen. If not, we will proceed to give you what you need, and that should be a rally. So watch what's happening. The next Solana moves, we already know that we could be coming up, and we will be hitting somewhere pretty high for Solana, Matic, Cardano, all these assets. So Polygon Matic, I told you, I do believe that $1 will be here before you know it. Pay attention to the charts. Pay attention to everything. It's very important. We have market cap, coin market cap, CoinGlass, crypto bubble. We have all these particular things that we use. TradingView. TradingView is free. All you have to do is just have an email, sign up, and get what you need to do. CZ will crash this market hard since he will need to sell his coins to pay the $50 million fine. Makes a lot of sense, single guy, and nice to have you in the chat, Rising Sun. There's a lot of things that are going to happen here, and you might want to be careful. You might want to send this to someone who has Binance. I have Binance. I do believe that this will not shut down Binance. I believe Binance will keep running, but this is going to hurt a lot of people. It's going to scare. And what a perfect setup for the SEC to have BlackRock, right? What does BlackRock run? BlackRock runs the government, runs the world, if you ask me. This all is not a surprise to me at all. So if you enjoy these videos, if you enjoy the updates, we come to you live as many times as we need. Obviously, we are here for you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification. And Crypto Rules, loading Crypto Millionaire. Why? Because I don't sell and get scared. What happens is we sell at the right time, and it was a great time to sell that Polygon Matic at 95 cents. Yeah, I feel like a boss for doing that. But even the best part is when I advise you that that's my strategy. It's not financial advice. That's what I'm doing. And you sold Polygon Matic at 95 cents and your order hit too. Congratulations. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, as tomorrow is the most dangerous day to be on the road if you're an American. So please be very careful. They will definitely be doing roadblocks, checking people, not roadblocks, obviously drinking, obviously DUI stops and that nature. So pay attention. Definitely to mention Wall Street, Pete Signo, and crypto keeping you up, as Wednesday is the most partying day, partying night before Thanksgiving. So I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. We should do a video tomorrow morning, so I hope to see you then. Please, if you've yet to hit the like button, I really would appreciate it. And yet you have to hit the share, or perhaps you have yet to hit that little bell notification and become a subscriber. I'd love to hear from you. We only have 1 week away. We are about 10 days away from talking about a December $100 raffle. 2 people get to split $100, $50 to each winner if you're a subscriber. And congratulations to the winner for November. Don't forget to hit that like button. And also, we are doing st.pete in green for Instagram. So if you want Instagram or YouTube, we're doing a little tug of war here. Whatever social media gives me the most likes and most hearts, whoever wins that social media is going to be where we're picking the winners from. So you have a wonderful night. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow morning, as it is 11:21, almost 8 o'clock Eastern time. Take care, everyone.